Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to build a Forex or Bitcoin signal investment website. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from a video you're about to watch. So guys, here's the website I just delivered for this client, which allows the admin to be able to create signals for the customers to place signals on. It also allows live trading, whereby customers can trade live on this platform. So here we have the home interface, whereby we have the home, about us, packages, contact, blog, sign in, and then we have the sign up. And then here we have the front slider, not really a slider but just a front cover, whereby we have the Forex trading signals alone are not enough. And then we have a button called get started. And then I'm just going to scroll down, and then here we have join the global chain, and then here we have a trading chart which shows the price of BTC, rise and fall of BTC, and we have a button called start trading. And here we have started trading, and then we have open an account, deposit amount, start trading. Our best package, we have 650.00 USD, 450.00 USD, 1500 USD. So all these are plans. And we're going to scroll down. Here we have why choose us, MetaTrader, competitive pricing, active traders, and we have total signal 25 million. Wow. Total users 235 million. Wow. Then we have success rates. We have 4560 M. So we have total award 856 M, and we have everything you need to fast track your trading. Top technical analysis, full expert, highly recommended, high performance, direct email and SMS signal. Join a growing community. Here we have what our customers says, and we have some powerful reviews from customers. We have our Forex trading referrals, 5% commission, 10% commission, 15% commission, 20% commission. We have our team, and we have our latest news. We have brands which are supporting this company, and we have the footer. So here we have our mission is to provide our investors with great opportunities for their funds by investing as prudently as possible in various areas to gain high return on investment, guys. And the about us will just take us to the about us page of this website, guys. So guys, here we have the about us page of this Forex investment website. I'm just going to go back to the home and share some things with you guys. So on the home page, the cool part about it is that whatsoever and every content on this home page can be edited directly from the admin dashboard. Every content on this page can always be edited from the admin dashboard. And then here we have a live chat, guys. So I'm just going to sign into the users dashboard and show you guys what users can do on a Bitcoin or Forex investment signal website. Just going to click on sign in. So here we have the sign in page. I'm just going to show you guys how the sign up page looks like. I'm just going to right click and click on open in a new tab, guys. So we have the sign up page, whereby we have username, WhatsApp, phone number, email, password, confirm password, and we have the sign up button. And on the login page, I'll just put in my username and password. Since I have an account already, I do not have to create an account, so that I won't have to be going through verification and so on. I'll just go ahead and click on login. So guys, I'm currently logged into my user's account, whereby I have total deposits, whereby I have 1500 USD, and then here I have total withdraw, which is 0.00 USD, total payment 1330 USD, profits return we have 10,897.82 USD. And on the right hand side we have my total balance, which is 10,897.82 USD. And here we have withdraw, and then we also have deposits. So I'm just going to click on withdraw. So on the withdrawals page, we have whereby you have to select a withdrawal method, either cash app, we have Bitcoin method, we have bank, and then you go ahead and place a withdrawal. So let's go ahead and then make a deposit. I'm just going to click on deposit now. And then we have an interface like this, whereby you can either deposit with Ethereum or you can deposit with Bitcoin, guys. So I'm just going to click on all signals so that we can see all signals available on this platform. For now, there are no signals, but from the admin dashboard, it's possible to create signals whereby customers can subscribe to. So on the trade interface, so currently we have a chart which shows charts for BTC, and then we also have charts for Ethereum, we have charts for USDT, and so on. So guys, customers can decide to place an order by either deciding to buy or sell BTC or Ethereum, we can say, which is so we also have orders you can sell, which is the USDT, BNB, Doge, and so on, guys. So here I have a trade which I placed, and I went for a buy for BNB, and then the trade price was at 560.41 USD, and then the trade type was a buy, and then it closed the trade automatically for me on a profit, guys. And then here we have plans which you can view all available plan on this website, whereby we have 90.00 USD, great features, Binance trading, crypto, live API, and so on. And then we have ultra 500.00 USD, and then here we have lifetime signal 900.00 USD, and so on, guys. So here are the signals you can subscribe to. And then we also have the withdrawal method, whereby you can place a withdrawal, which we've just shown, whereby you can choose which of the withdrawal method you are comfortable with. We also have the transfer money. On the transfer money, all you need to do is to put in the email address you're transferring money to, transfer account email, and then the amount you want to transfer, and then hit transfer money. We also have reports whereby you can view all deposit log and so on, guys. We have the referral log, whereby you can be able to see all referrals. We have profile setting, whereby you can be able to set your profile and make additional changes to your profile, guys. So I'm also going to scroll down. We have the support tickets. On this interface, you can open a ticket and then lay your complaint to the admin in case you have a complaint. So guys, pay attention to this, whereby we have plan expires at 182 point something 7 hours 6 minutes 8 seconds, and this is because I have upgraded my plan to another package. But as soon as the customers log in and is yet to upgrade his or her plan, is going to get a notification here that plan expires at 6 hours or something, still same that day, which you can still set so that the client can upgrade his or her account to a different package, guys. So this is basically how the user's interface look like. Let's go ahead and see how the admin interface look like. Very powerful admin dashboard and so on. I'm just going to go to a new tab and then type my domain URL and then put /admin, guys. So guys, here we have the admin interface. I'm just going to put my admin details and then put my password and then go ahead and then hit login, guys. So guys, right now I'm currently signed into the admin dashboard, whereby we have total payment 2,230 USD, we have total deposits 3,900 USD, and then we have total withdraw 80,300.00 USD. We have total users on this account, we have 15. We have the active user, we have 0. We have total tickets, we have 0. We have pending tickets, we have 0. Online payment gateway on this website, we have 14 good payment gateway, and right now the admin has only created 3 manual payments method. And on the right hand side, we have users, we have plan, we have signals, we have deposits, we have withdraw, we have payments, we have reports, we have tickets, and then we have settings. So I'm just going to scroll down, and then we have payment charts, which is this, and I'm also going to scroll down. We have latest subscription list. We have Prince, which upgraded the subscription to an Ultra. Prince also upgraded the subscription to Pro Max 90 USD. So every activities done by the users will always show on the admin interface. So here we have last deposits 1,000 USD, SAB, last deposit 100 USD, and so on, guys. So here we have manage plan on the left hand side of the sidebar, whereby the admin can manage all plans from the admin dashboard. So guys, here we have all available plans under the plans, and then we have Pro Max and so on. So the admin can decide to create a new plan. So guys, here we have an interface whereby you can put your plan name, your plan type, either unlimited, limited, and so on. We have price type, we have free, paid, and then you go ahead and then create a new plan. So we have features you can turn on, like WhatsApp notification, Telegram notification, email notification, SMS notification, dashboard notification whenever a new plan is being created, guys. So here we have the signal tools. Under the signal tools, we have the market type, we have the currency pair, we have time frame, and then we have signals. So under the market type, you can be able to see all signals. So guys, here we have no data found for markets. I can decide to create a new market, guys. And then here I'm going to put in name, and then we have status, either active or disabled. So we have the currency pair, we have time frames, we have signals. So as I said, we haven't created a signal yet, but we can decide to create a signal by clicking on signals. So guys, under signals, we have create signal. So guys, this is the interface where you are able to create signals, whereby we have the signal image, we have signal title, currency pair, starting point, take profits, place order, we have either buy or sell, we have market type, because we haven't created a market type. So here we have stop loss, we have time frame, we have plan, and so on. Then we have the description, and then send. So guys, after clicking on send, this new signal will be automatically created, guys. So next we have the manage affiliates. We also have manage payments. So guys, here we have manage payments, whereby you can be able to manage customers payments. Right now we have no online payments yet, and then we also have the offline payment. The online payment interface is where you can view all payments which are done using your online payments gateway, while the offline payments are used to view all payments which are done through the manual payments method which you have integrated into your website. So guys, currently now we have an offline payment with the reference number, days, we have plan, lifetime signal, gateway, Ethereum, and so on, guys. So the next thing we have here is manage deposits, whereby you can manage all online deposits and offline deposits for clients. We also have the manage withdraw, whereby we have withdraw methods, we have all methods, we have pending withdrawals, we have accepted withdrawals, we have rejected withdrawals, guys. So guys, we also have manage users, whereby you can manage all users on the platform. You can decide to credit a user directly from the admin dashboard. You can also decide to deactivate a user's account directly from this admin interface. So whatsoever you want to do with that user, you can do it directly from this section. So here are a few users we have on this dashboard, and then here we have action, whereby you can take action on a user. If I click on action, the I button, so guys, we have an interface like this, and then we have current plan. Nah, there are no plan which has been upgraded for this user. Then we have total referral 0, total commission 0, total withdrawal 0.0, total deposit 2.00, total invest amount 0.00, and then we have total balance, which is 2.00, and then we have add balance, we have subtract balance. And then here you can edit the user's information. So here you can change the status of the user, either active, or you can also deactivate the status of these users. So on the right hand side, we have send email, login as user, commission log, deposit log, payment log, withdraw log, we have users ticket, we have users transaction, guys, and so on, guys. So the next thing we have is application settings, whereby you can set your payment gateway. For instance, we can set online gateway, we can also set offline gateway. So guys, I'm just going to open the online gateway on a new tab, and then boom, we have something like this, guys, whereby you can activate Stripe, you can also activate PayPal, you can activate VokePay, and so on. So guys, we have a lot of payments gateway you can activate on this Forex or Bitcoin investment signal website. So the next thing we have is offline payments, whereby you can create an offline payment if you want, whereby we have this tab which shows that we only have 2 offline payments, which is Ethereum, and then we have Bitcoin. And then we can decide to create new offline payments if we want. So let's go ahead and then manage setting. I'm just going to open a new tab, and then we have this. So this is where we can manage our settings, whereby we can put in our site name, we can put in site currency, and so on. We can also put in a sign-up bonus, and then we have withdrawal limit per day. We can set that, pagination limit, time zone, alert type, and so on, guys. So guys, here you can decide to choose a logo for your investment website, whereby you can put in a white logo here, a dark logo, and an icon that can eventually match with your website. So guys, the next thing we have here is manage pages, whereby we have home, about us, contact us, package, and blog. And if I click on this about, I can manage this page, whereby I can change the page of this name to anything I want to change it to. I can change the order to number 3, which automatically switch about with the next one. And then we have drop down. Is it a drop down? We can decide to either deactivate or make this page active. And then we have the SEO description and so on. So this is basically how you can manage your page. So guys, here we have the manage theme, whereby you can manage your theme, whereby we have the default theme, we have the light theme. The default theme is the black theme, whereby it makes your website a bit darker, and then we have the light theme, which eventually makes your website a bit lighter, guys. So here you can decide to set your color settings. You can decide to make this a bit darker. You can change the color of your theme, and automatically every pages of your website automatically have the new color. So the next thing here, which is very important, I want you to pay attention, is the manage front end. This is where you're doing the big thing, whereby you're going to be managing whatsoever contents on the front end or on the interface of your website, guys. So on the front end section, we have the banner, whereby you can manage whatsoever is on your banner, whereby we can change the title to whatsoever we want to change it to. We can change the color text to whatsoever we want to change it to. We have the about, we have the trade, we have the how it works section, we have the plan section, we have why choosers section, we also have the overview and so on. So under the about us, we have this join the chain community, we have text and so on, guys. So I'm also going to scroll down. Here we have auths. On this auth, this is where the login and registration pages are, whereby you can change whatsoever is appearing on this registration page to whatsoever you want to put them. We have links, we have social, we have footer. This is where you change your footer details and whatsoever you want to put. We have contacts. This is where you add your contact details, email address, phone number, and so on, guys. The next thing we have here is manage language, whereby you can add languages you want your website to be able to translate to. We have manage role, manage admin. So guys, this is basically how the admin interface work. So guys, the question is, how do I design a Forex or Bitcoin investment trading signal just like this? I'll be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to build a Bitcoin or Forex trading signal website just like this. So the first thing you need to have is to have a domain and then a hosting. So a domain and hosting allows you to host your website online effortlessly, whereby you can share your domain name with your customers and then they can easily access your website without stress. Having done that, having gotten a domain and hosting, the next thing you're going to do is to access your cPanel details. Whenever you've purchased a domain and hosting, you'll be given a cPanel details which is uniquely assigned to you. So I'm just going to be logging into my cPanel, and then I'll go ahead and then upload the scripts for this project. So guys, I'm currently logged into my cPanel, and the best way to log into your cPanel is using your domain. For instance, I'm just going to put in, for instance, let's say your domain.com/cPanel. So the cPanel interface is going to show up, whereby you're going to put in your username or whatsoever your hosting provider gives you, and then you're going to use it to log in directly to your cPanel. So after that, you have an interface like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to create a subdomain. I'm just going to come here and then type subdomain, and then I'm going to click on these domains, and then I'm going to create a subdomain called Bitcoin or forexbroker.mydomainname.com. I'm just going to click on create a new domain, and then I'm going to call it forexbroker.mydomainname. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on submit. So guys, my subdomain has successfully been created. I'm just going to go back to my cPanel and then go to File Manager. Just going to scroll down and then go to File Manager and then locate my subdomain called Forex Broker, guys. I'm going to locate my subdomain, which is Forex Broker. I'm just going to open this, and then I'm going to click on upload, guys. I'm going to click on upload and then go ahead and then select file. So this is the interface whereby I'm going to be uploading the script used in this project, guys. So guys, here we have the script which I used for the project. uploading already. I'm just going to wait for a few seconds while it's upload completely. So guys, while we are waiting for our project to be uploaded, I'm going to go back to my cPanel, and then here I'm going to type my SQLi database wizard. I'm going to click on this and then go ahead and then create my database. Here I'm going to fill in my database name. I can just decide to call my database name here BrokerDB, and then I'm just going to copy this and then click on, or let me just call it BrokerDBMS, that is database management system, and then I'm going to click on next step. So your database name can be anything. So here I'm going to create my username. I'm also going to paste this and then paste this as my password, and then also paste this as my password again, and then click on create users. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on all privileges. Right now we have username, which is broker_dbms. We have database, we have broker_dbms also. I'm also going to scroll down and then click on make changes. So it says user broker_dbms was added to your database. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come over here and then type php my admin, guys. Just going to type php my admin. Alright guys, the script has successfully been uploaded. As you can see, it's showing green instead of blue. Just going to come back to my file manager and then I'm going to reload, and then here we have the script, right? I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to click on extract, and then I'm going to click on extract file. So guys, the script has successfully been extracted. I'm just going to click on these scripts, then I'm going to click on settings, then I'm going to click on home directory. I'm going to click on show hidden files, guys. I'm going to click on save, guys. So it automatically shows all hidden files. Then I'm going to click on select all, then I'll click on move and then click on the backspace and then click on move files, guys. We just clicked on move files, and then right now the directory is empty. I'm going to click on backspace, and then we have all our files here. Great, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come to this folder called main. I'm going to click on the main folder, and then we have a folder called database. I'm going to click on this database, and then here we have the folder called the SQL. This is where my database .sql file is. I'm going to open it and then click on this and then go ahead and then download. Great, guys. So I have my database downloading already, which it has successfully downloaded. I'm going to click on the back and then come back to the main folder, which is this folder. So guys, which is this folder? I'm just going to go ahead and then visit our website. Just going to copy this, copy link address, and then open a new tab and then come over here and then type Forex broker dot this, and then I'm just going to remove this. So that will be forexbroker.mydomainname.com. Then I'm going to hit enter, guys. So guys, I got an interface like this, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on accept and install. So here we have required PHP version 7.4, which is stick, but required file info PHP extension not, it hasn't met that requirement, and then it says required MB string PHP extension, also it hasn't met that requirement. So the first thing I'm going to do is to first of all change my PHP version to version 8.1 and then refresh this spot. Just going to come back here and then change my PHP version to version 8.1. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do to change my PHP version is to come here and then type multi PHP my admin, that is multi PHP manager, and then I'm just going to come over here and then change here to EA 8.1, which is this, and then I'll come over here and then apply changes. Great, it says successfully applied PHP version 8.1. I'll come over to my browser and then refresh. So it says I've automatically met all the required steps. So I'm just going to scroll down, guys, and then click on next step. So it also says file permission, main, bootstrap, and so on. I'm just going to grant all this access to 0775. So how do I do that? I'm just going to come back to my dev scripts. I'm just going to come back to my Chrome and then go back to file manager. I'll just click on cPanel, and then I'm going to scroll down and then come over to file manager, and then I'm going to open my subdomain. And then I was told we are having an issue with main bootstrap cache. I'm going to click on this main, which is the folder, and then we have this bootstrap, and then we have the cache folder. I'm going to right click and then click on change permission, and then set this to 0775. So we have 0775, right? And then I'm going to click on change permission. Then the next one we have here is saying main/storage. I'm just going to click on back, and then we have storage here, which says main/storage, and then I'm just going to right click and then click on change permission and then set this to 775. And then I'm going to go back, and then it says storage/app. I'm going to open this and then come to this app, right click, change permission, and then set this to 775. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to come back here, and it says /framework. I'm going to right click and then change permission and then set this to also 775. And then it also says for logs I should set it to 775, change permission 775. I'm going to click on change permission. Great, guys. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then refresh. So we should have everything ticked. I'm going to click on next step, and then we have an interface like this which says we should put in our site URL, and the site URL is this, which is forexbroker.this, and then paste it as my site URL. The next thing I'm asked to do is to put in my database name. So I'm just going to go back to be able to get my database name, guys. To come over here, and then this is my database name, broker_DMS. I'm going to come to my Explorer and then paste this as my database name, and then come here, paste this as my database username, and then my database ports is always 3306, guys. Then I will come here and then put my database password, which is the same thing. Now I'm going to set my admin details. I'm going to set this as admin, set my admin password as 1234567 and then the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then create my email address for my admin. I'm just going to set it to admin@gmail.com. And then right now I expect my database to have been uploaded successfully. I'm just going to click on install now, and then wait while the script gets installed. So guys, I had this page automatically refresh itself, which shows that the script has successfully been installed. So guys, since we are done installing our scripts, the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my file manager or my cPanel, and then I'm going to locate my subdomain, guys. So here is my subdomain, and then I'm going to go to the main folder, and I'm going to locate resources, and then under resources I'm going to click on views, and then we have the front end and the back end. This is the location of your back end of the website, and then we have the front end. I'm going to click on front end, and under front end I'll click on defaults, which is my default theme, and then I'm going to come over to layouts, and then I'm going to include my Tido live chat. So now I'm going to click on master.blade. I'm going to click on edit and then come over to edit, and then I'm just going to come here and then paste my Tido details, and then I'm going to click on save changes. So I've automatically integrated a live chat to my website. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come over to header. This is where my header pages are, and then come to edit and then come here. So guys, here we have the header.blade, whereby we can make changes to our header. So I'm also going to close, and then we also have the auth. This is basically where we have our registration page, our networking page, because this is where we find our authorization page. This is where our authorization pages are, like for instance the login and then the register. That is why it's being called auth.blade.php, guys. So whatsoever changes we make to our top header, for instance we want to manually add email to our top header and so on, we can just come here and then remove this and then change it to, for instance, we can just change it to info or support at, let me just say for instance support at let's say Swift Tech or so on, and then go ahead and then click on save changes. So this automatically make changes to your header top. You can decide to add a manual phone number. We can decide to add a manual phone number than making it add directly from the admin, or we can just call it here info or support at globalchain.com. And then we can also come here and then insert a phone number, guys. And after that we can just click on save changes, guys. So guys, we have the header.blade in our default layout, and then I'm just going to right click on this header.blade and then click on edit and click on edit, guys. So remember we had changed this support at global chain and so on. Then I can just come here and then go ahead and then upload my logo, and then just change my src to, for instance, let's say logo/logo.png, guys. So that is if I want to add my logo manually, then I'll just go ahead and then click on save changes, guys, and then go ahead and then close. So I just uploaded the global chain logo just for the sake of this video, and then I'm going to wait while my project gets saved. So guys, my project has successfully been saved. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then visit our website. So guys, here I have my domain URL, which is forexbroker.mydomain.com. Then I'm just going to hit on enter so that I can have a preview of what we've just done. So hit enter, guys. So guys, this automatically brings us to our website, which we've just installed, and then we have every details just like the demo we've shown. So we have our logo, we have our email address, a phone number which we just imputed manually by removing the one that came with the script. But as I earlier said, you can just log into the admin to make those changes. You can just go ahead and then change your logo directly from the admin. I was only showing you how to do that manually, guys. So guys, we have exactly what I've shown you guys earlier, with beautiful and clean homepage and so on. So guys, this is basically how to design a Forex or Bitcoin investment signal website. So guys, to get the scripts used in this video, kindly check the description of this video. You're going to find a WhatsApp contact you can reach out to, or a WhatsApp link you can chat with, and then request for the script. So guys, this is basically how to do this. If you know you enjoyed this video or you found value from this video, kindly make sure you smash the subscribe button, share this video, and then like, so that other people can benefit from the video you just watched. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.